Welcome to Tanzania Electronic Visa Application System. You can now apply for an online visa to visit the United Republic of Tanzania, both Tanzania mainland and Zanzibar. You are required to fill in the online form, make payment, and submit your application online. Your form will be internally reviewed and processed. Applicants will be notified through their emails whether their applications have been accepted or rejected. They may also track their application status through online system. Applicants may as well be required to visit the nearest Tanzanian embassy or consular offices for interviews. Kindly check the description for the link to the visa application. Keynote: before you start, please consider the following information beforehand. Type of visa, required documents, countries whose citizens do not require visa on entry, those are visa-free countries, countries whose citizens require approval by the Tanzania Commissioner General of Immigration. New application, continue application, that is if you were already applying and maybe stopped on the way. Then visa status, this is where you check your visa status. Apply for a new visa. You are about to apply for a new visa. Please fill the required information to generate an application ID which you can use for further reference. So here you have to fill in your email address, passport number, passport issue country, security question, and then you answer it as well. Security question, you can either choose from this: in what city, town, village you were born, what is the name of the hospital you were born, what is the name of the street you grew up, what was your childhood nickname. Yeah, after that you confirm you are not a robot, then click on start new application. Please record your application ID in a safe and secure place. If there are technical issues with the system, or if you want to complete your application some other time, you can save your work and later start from where you left off. In order to access your application later, you will need your application ID and an answer to the security question you provided in the previous page. If you do not plan to complete your application within the next 30 days, download your application to your computer by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the last completed page. Follow the instructions. When you are ready to complete your application, select Continue Application. This is your ID that you have to copy and save somewhere. Then we proceed to Next. Okay, from the application, you notice that there is personal information, contact, address, and employment, passport information, travel information, documents, declaration, payments, and then you complete. So we will begin with the personal information. Personal information: first name, middle name, then surname, gender, male or female, marital status, single, married, divorced or widowed, date and place of birth. You fill in day, month, and year. Select country and then the city. Nationality are birth, Present nationality, that is if you have two different ones. Resident status, the country where you live. Then you save and continue. Contact information, telephone number, mobile number, email address, physical address, present physical address, present city, present country, permanent physical address, permanent city, permanent country. Then on employment, employment status, employer, occupation, you save and continue. Kindly like, comment and subscribe, and also please suggest in the comment section which visa application you would love to see. Passport information, passport type, there is ordinary, diplomatic, service, special, international organization, travel document. You choose whatever applies to you. Passport number, country of issue, place of issue, insurance date, expiry date, then spouse information, full name, nationality, save and continue. Tanzanian embassy, country from where you are applying, nearby embassy to handle your application. Here are a list of embassies that they have. Visit details, type of visa requested, purpose of visit, type of visa requested, business, ordinary, multiple entry, transit, student visa. And also you need to remember the East African visa does not apply to Tanzania. That is why it is not in the options. East African visa is strictly for Uganda, Kenya and Rwanda. Purpose of visit. Is this your first time to visit Tanzania? Yes or no? If the answer is no, then these do not apply to you. The last visit date and visa number. But if yes, then you have to fill this in. Travel plans, destination, which will be Tanzania, onward country, probably back to your country, port type, if it is airport, road or vessel, port entry, you enter that as well. That is if it's airport, Dar es Salaam, Zanzibar, whichever you'll be going to. Port of departure, date of arrival, day, month and year, duration. This is the period you will spend in Tanzania. Local host. Okay, on host, select host, Tanzania, citizen, company or organization, residents with a pass, resident with a permit. That is if you have somebody inviting you, then you fill in here their full name, mobile number, email, office or organization name, relationship, physical address. Then we go to accommodation. Where are you going to stay? It can be a hotel, motel, apartment, or private residence. You choose whatever applies to you. Physical address, you fill it in here. Save and continue. We are now on documents that you have to upload. Applicant passport size photo, applicant's passport biodata page, and then also supporting documents as your returning ticket. Make sure that everything is already on your computer before you begin the application. Then you save and continue. After that, you go through everything that you failed. If you feel something is wrong, go back and fix it. If not, you read the declaration, the visa terms and the conditions, agree to it, and then submit. After, make some payments. After payment, you will wait for your visa to be sent to your email address that you filled in. Make sure the email is correct. Thank you for watching.